Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. So in this video, let's go major room by major room, bedrooms, entryways, kitchens, things like that. Just some whole house Christmas decoration inspiration for you. And of course, we are going to start with the entryway. Whether you have a humongous entryway or a smaller entryway, there's always little pops and ideas that you can add for a festive feel, especially around the Christmas holiday season. So enjoy this video. I will be popping in here or there, especially when it's a room that I really love, just to share it with you guys. So I will talk to you soon. Didn't think I would pop in this quickly, but I love this mudroom. It's absolutely gorgeous and festive. But my question is, where do you actually put your coats and shoes? I don't know how functional it is, but it sure was pretty. This is another entryway that I really loved. I can't really clearly see, but it almost looks like those are pearls, or in my mind they're pearls. And I feel like pearls would go great for a really neutral or even rustic Christmas decor theme. So next, let's head into Christmas decorated living rooms. Definitely the star of the show. I feel like the living room is really where you showcase most of your holiday decor, because usually that's where your Christmas tree is. Comment down below, is your Christmas tree in your living room, den, family room, in front of a window? Like, how is your home set up and where do you place your tree? This year, actually, our tree is not in front of the window because we just moved. So it's actually in our family room, which is kind of towards the back of the home. So that's something new for us, but I still thought it would be really nice just to kind of feature some of these rooms. But yeah, comment down below, let me know where your tree is. Okay, so here's another quick question for you. Do you all change out your wall art based on the season? I have friends that have Valentine's Day signs and they change out their wall art just kind of based on which season or which holiday it is. Now, that's a little above my pay grade. I cannot say that I do that, and I love home decor, but you see how this picture above the mantle, they switch it out. Obviously, they don't have it there all year round. Let me know what you do. I feel like it really ties the room in together perfectly. It's that added touch at the very top, the cherry at the top, if you will, but man, I don't do that. Okay, so another thing that I am really loving is the dual Christmas trees. I've seen one room with 3 trees. I really like that. It's very elegant and chic to me. Let me know how you feel about it. I'm kind of thinking maybe next year I may try it. And of course, after leaving the Christmas decorated living rooms, we are going to head to the bedrooms. Now, I don't decorate my bedroom much, maybe just, a little evergreen here, a red ribbon here, but it's something that I do plan on doing, especially more so next year, just kind of since we've just moved this year. Let me know if you decorate your bedroom, and I feel like it's very easy to do. A couple of, Christmas throw pillows on your bed, especially if you have a neutral backdrop or even rustic or kind of an easy style that can easily implement some Christmas in there. I love this bed and the garland, by the way. I just reminded myself I was going to run to TJ Maxx and see if I can find a Christmas throw, so maybe I should do that. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see a little bit more, choose one of these videos here or any other video on the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.